Hello class! Today we're going to talk about US money, bills. What are bills? So these are coins, and these are bills. Paper money, bills. Coins, bills. Bills, B-I-L-L-S. So B is B. I-L-L, ill, bill. Bill, this is one bill, or I have two bills with a S, plural. Two bills, three bills, four bills. So these are called bills. Just like this is a coin or a penny. One penny, two pennies, three pennies, or three coins. So today we're going to talk about bills. How much is this? $1. $1. $1. $1. You can see the one. $1. $1. I can also write $1 like this. There's an S, and then I put a line through it. That is called a dollar sign. Dollar sign. And then number one. $1. $1. So it's a dollar sign, one. That's $1. How much is this? $5. $5. So you can see here $5 with an S. $5. $5. And I write it like this. A dollar sign, five. $5. How much is this? $10. $10. $10. $10. $10. How much is this? $20. $20. $20. $20. $1. $5. $10. $20. How much is this? $1. What is this? A single. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1. $1 a single. I have $1. I have a single. A single. So we also call this a single. A single. A single. Single with S-I-N, sing, G, 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 L-E, single. That's the same as I am single. I am not married. Are you married? Are you single? So single means one, and this is $1. So I call it a single. A single. I have a single. I have $1. How much is this? $5. I have $5. I have a 5. I have a 5. A 5. So I also call this a 5. A 5. A 5. So that means 1, 5. It is one bill, and it is 5. A 5. I have a 5. I have $5. How much is this? $10. I have $10. I have a 10. I have a 10. A 10. A 10. I have a 10. I have $10. How much is this? $20. $20. I have $20. I have a 20. I have a 20. A 20. A 20. I have a 20. I have $20. I have a single. I have $1. I have a 5. I have $5. I have a 10. I have $10. I have a 20. I have $20. I have a single. A single. Oh. I have 2 singles. I have 2 singles. Or I can say I have $2. But the one is a single. So we're going to practice with single. I have 2 singles. I have 3 singles. I have 4 singles. So when I use plural, I add an S. So I can say I have 4 singles. S-I-N-G-L-E-S. Singles. I have 4 singles. I have a 5. I have $5. I have a 5. I have 2 5s. I have 2 5s. How much is 2 5s? $10. 5 plus 5 is $10. I have $10. Or I have 2 5s. 2 5s. 2 5s. 2 5s. So there's an S here. Or I can say 3 5s. 4 5s. 5 5s. I have 2 5s. I have a 10. I have $10. I have a 10. I have 2 10s. I have 2 10s. How much is 2 10s? $20. I have 2 10s. So that's the same as down here. 2 10s, plural. So that's T-E-N-S. 2 10s. I have 2 10s. I have a 20. I have $20. Oh. I have 2 20s. I have 2 20s. 2 20s. T W E N T. This changes. I E S. 20s. 2 20s. I have 2 20s. So these are the names of the bills. A single, 4 singles. A 5, 2 5s, or 3 5s, or 4 5s. A 10, 2 10s, or 3 10s, or 4 10s. A 20, 2 20s, 3 20s, 4 20s. Excuse me, do you have $1? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Listen. Excuse me, do you have a single? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. So I can ask for $1. I can ask for a single. Excuse me, do you have $5? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have a 5? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have $10? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have a 10? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have $20? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have a 20? Yes, I do. Here you go. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have a single? Yes, I do. Here you go. So I can ask about different bills. Excuse me, do you have a 5? Yes, I do. Here you go. Excuse me, do you have a 10? Yes, I do. Here you go. Excuse me, do you have a 20? Yes, I do. Here you go. I have a 5. I need change. I need singles. Excuse me, do you have change for a 5? Yes, I have 5 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go. Thank you. Change. Excuse me, do you have change for a 5? Excuse me, do you have change for a 5? Yes, I have 5 singles. 5 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Thank you. Excuse me, do you have change for a 5? Yes, I have 5 singles. So we can practice with different examples. For example, excuse me, do you have change for a 10? Do you have change for a 10? Yes. I have 2 5s. I have 2 5s. Or, excuse me, do you have change for a 10? Yes. I have a 5 and 5 singles. That's $10. 5 plus 5, $10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. Let's do another example. Excuse me, do you have change for a 20? Yes, I have 2 10s. $10 plus $10, $20. I have 2 10s. So I can write that. 2 T W O tens. T E N S. Period. I have 2 10s. Oops. What other examples are there? Excuse me, do you have change for a 20? Yes, I have, let's see, 10, 15, 20. I have a 10 and 2 5s. A 10 and 2 5s. So I can also write that example. I have a 10, a 10, T-E-N, and a N-D, and 2 5s. T-W-O, 2 5s. F-I-V-E-S. Period. I have a 10 and 2 5s. A 10 and 2 5s. Excuse me, do you have change for a 20? Yes, I have a 10 and 2 5s. So we're going to practice with bills next class. Bring your money. Come to class with your money and we can practice with bills. I will see you then. Bye.